Dear scholars, we have been learning a lesson 1.5, a kabaddi match. Through the previous video, I have explained the match or the report of the match from this lesson. This is about the first part of this lesson. Now, here in second part, we have some important information about the sport kabaddi. So through this video, I am going to explain the important information about this sport. So let's get started. Kabaddi is an ancient sport, ancient old. It is originated in India and has now become popular in many countries, so that many international events are organized. What is it? Kabaddi, the game, the sport which is originated in India. And what is given further? In present time, now it has become very much popular in many of the countries. You might have watched Pro Kabaddi League, right? It is because the craze of this game, of this sport, is increasing day by day. And because of that only, many international events are organized. In these events, international rules are followed, but several other kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Gamini, Amar, etc. are followed in different parts of India. So here some of the styles of kabaddi given. I repeat, Sanjeevani, Gamini, Amar, etc. are the kabaddi styles which are followed in different parts of India. So this is little basic information about the styles and how the sport has become famous, popular. Further, here are some rules. In kabaddi, two teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court divided by a midline. So here is some information about the number of players, number of teams, and what type of ground, that is rectangular court or ground, is prepared to play this game, and the court or that ground is divided into two parts along with the midline, using the midline. The game is usually played in two halves. HALF, half, it's plural, halves. So the game is played in two halves with a half time break in between. After the break, the teams exchange their sides in the court. So if you have played this game, if you have watched this game on TV, you might have understood some of the rules, such rules through which. Let us see further information or further rules. To play the game, each team sends raiders, that is attackers, across the midline to the other team. The raider tries to tag the opponents and run back to his side, all in one breath. To show that he hasn't inhaled again, he has to chant Kabaddi, Kabaddi in all the time. So this is some important basic information or rules about this game. Let us see the further. If he has to inhale again, he is out. The player the raider is declared out. The opponents try to catch the raider and stop him going back to his half till he loses his breath and has to inhale again. If the raider manages to go back successfully, all the person he has attacked and all those who have touched him declared out. For each player declared out, the opposite team scores a point. If all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus points, that is called a loan or lona. The team with the maximum points wins the match. The team which scores maximum points, the team is declared the winner. Further rule or further information, this is the last paragraph. The game of kabaddi, see, it's not about actually rule, sorry, by mistake I mentioned about rules. So this is the paragraph about the skills or the important factors a kabaddi player must have. Let us see. The game of kabaddi requires good health, muscular strength, strategic skills, a lot of practice, and above all, great determination. Determination, that is resolve, decision. Indian girls and boys have always excelled at kabaddi. Excelled, that is proved better, did better in kabaddi. Would you like to be an ace kabaddi player when you are a little older? Here is skilled, strong, excellent. Who knows, if you make a resolve, determination, decision, if you decide, one day you may help win glory for your school, district, or even the state and country. So nowadays the kabaddi players who have good health, muscular strength, strategic skills, lot of practice and great determination, they are playing to achieve glory, to achieve honor for their schools, for their districts, for their states and for their countries. So if you make a resolve, if you make a decision today to be a kabaddi player, so definitely you will achieve the glory for yourself, family, school, district, state and for the country. So here in this video, some of the important rules, some information, some of the important rules of kabaddi are explained, and moreover what type of qualities the kabaddi player must have, they are given. So this is all about this video. I hope you might have understood the given explanation. Through the next video I am going to explain the activities given in exercise or pointers based on this lesson.